Hey, hey! Hey, hey, hey! Yay, yay, yay! Hey! Hey! Oh man! Ay, ay, ay! Ay, ay, ay! Hey! Hey! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! When we... Yeah, 1, 2, 3. We want something more. Oh, this song is so good. Off the floor. Down there's the top of the third fall. I'm not. Ooh, well. All right, God says go this way though. Okay. Yeah, it's supposed to go that way. Oh boy. Ooh, boy. Maybe I should just do it. Yeah, let's just do it. Make it today. We want fun. Believe it. Yeah, we wanna have fun. Oh yeah. All right. Oh yeah, my pants. Oh. Let's just do it. Close most. Let's see what happens. Hey, make it today. Make a plan. We want fun. Yeah. Hey. Oh my God, this is the infamous second one? How can this be the second? Yeah, it is. How can this be it? Yeah, we want. No. This has to be the third. I know everything. This is my backyard. Let's see. Fun! Unless they changed it. Changed it. No, they didn't change nothing. Oh, see, they closed it. Yep. They closed it. That's only the third. Alright, whatever. I don't really care. Other people took pictures. I just wanted to do Gene. Oh, look at that. It's so tempting. Okay. Yeah. Alright, I know there's a trail up and over. Up and over, private pile, up and over. Okay. I don't know, there's something over here. I think so. I know there is. Let's see. Uh-oh. Dominic says go. Dominic says the hell with it. Uh-oh. Fucking Dominic, he told me. Italian Christmas donkey. Whoa. La 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 la. Dominic, where are you taking me? All right, Dominique. 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 The hills of Italy. Jiggity jig. La. La do da. There it is. Okay. Bypass trail. Painted blue. This is made in Brooklyn. La la. Oh, it's still working. Still working. Still working. Okay. Still working, huh? Alright. How nice is he? He's so smart. Hey, jingity jing! Here's Dominic the donkey! Hee haw, hee haw! La 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 dee doo da la dee doo da. Hey, what's up? Speak English. That's alright. Every baboon country, and everybody's talking something funny. Now you funny too. Alright, who's next? Ooh, a holiday in Cambodia? Come on. I've seen these guys. Oh yeah. Where the niggas got so much soul. I'm a sand nigger, I'm allowed to say that. I got a fucking waiver from the United States American government. Fucking get some 50 fucking water buffaloes. Fuck, you don't like it. I will take it up with Hashem. Take it up with Hashem. I'm coming down the hill, baby. Come up, come down. Do what you want. All I know, God bless America. And every stupid pagan that comes from another country, learn English. Submit to Jesus. You savage beast. Definitely like this going down, man. What you must fear, right guard will not help you here yourself. Eddie, Bruchag, and Russell, we need another bunker buster. See the railroad tracks down there? My car's down there. See it? It's good, right down there. You'll see everything. It's called the Loop de Loop. Part of Willy Wonka Chocolate Factory Fun House Tours. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Oh boy. I never want to act like you, but your boss gets richer off you. You're caught with a gun in your back. Here we go. Head skewered on a stake. Where people are one. Oh, communism, socialism. And we'll make a combination. One world government, baby. You need. Look at that. Dude, I used to fucking fly down this fucking hill. Hey, the guy. Youth! I lived it, thank you, God. Bless all the cripples. May this GoPro, you know, hey, everything, God bless them. Crack. That's it. Whoa. Take your time. Dig, no more running. Not with this knee. Not with this fucking healthcare system. Huh. Yeah, fuck. Mr. M. No insurance, 25 years. No doctor. Yeah, how can I go see a doctor? With this fucking Star Trek Enterprise system. Here comes somebody. What is that, a bear? It's moving like a motherfucker. What is that? Pole. Pot. What was that? Oh, it's going down. Going down, going up. It's going down. Boom. Someone's going down. Pole. Pot. Pole. Pot. Pole. Pot. Pole pot. Pole pot. Pole pot, pole pot, pole pot. Look at this. Ooh. Oh, my fucking pants. Should have brought my strap. Oh, we should have. loosen up some. And I'm walking like a dog hanging on a leash. Oh yeah. All right. They say trains used to directly come here from Philly and New York during the Gilded Age. This was a very popular resort. And then a major flood on the river or something, I don't know. Something destroyed in the 20s, I heard. 20, that's a couple generations ago. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh yeah. I guess I might as well come here. And I got this.